What's up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method you can go and use right today, guys, and you can start getting some traffic. You can start making some sales fast with ClickBank, guys. So all you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step till the end, and we are going to take action on this method I'm going to be showing you guys today. You're going to start getting some traffic and start getting some results. So you check my account, guys. I'm making sales every day on ClickBank, guys. I'm making up to $2,000 to $4,000 plus per week on ClickBank, guys. So you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales using paid traffic and reach up to $4,000 plus per day. Be sure to click the first link in the description and get my step-by-step training that is going to show you everything step by step. You can start running some paid ads and start making some sales very fast, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online and ClickBank earning methods, guys. And you want to get my course for completely free, all you're going to do is that you're going to leave a like on this video and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel as well. I'm going to get a chance to get my course for completely free. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that we're going to pick a random winner for the last video. I'm going to go to the last video. I'm going to copy the URL of the last video. I'm going to go to random YouTube commenter, and there's going to be a lucky winner for this video, guys. So I'm going to paste the URL and I'm going to get YouTube comments. I'm going to pick a lucky winner, guys. So I'm going to click on start, and you have the winner of this course. All you're going to do is you're going to send me a message on Instagram, and I'm going to give you this training for completely free, guys. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys a simple step-by-step method you can use and start getting some sales very fast on ClickBank, guys. So let's get right into the video. Let me show you guys how I can do this step by step. So the first step, as always, guys, you have to go to the affiliate marketplace, and we're going to pick a high converting product, guys. So we should watch step by step. So I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. I can go and use this exact method right today and start making some sales very fast. So we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and we're going to choose a very high converting product. So we're going to click on the search icon. We're going to search, and we're going to sort by gravity, guys. So it's good to sort by gravity, so you're going to see the top selling products on ClickBank and some of the best categories that you can go and promote products and make a lot of sales. For example, the e-business and e-marketing category, the health and fitness, self-help, and spirituality. They also convert very well, guys. So these are the type of categories that you can go and promote your products there, and you can make a lot of sales, guys. So what we're going to do is that we're going to pick a high converting product, and we're going to be using to promote it for this particular example that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So for this particular example, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to health and fitness, and we're going to choose the top converting products in health and fitness. So click on health and fitness. It's going to show us the top converting product, and since you have stored by gravity, these are the best selling products in health and fitness that you can go and promote right today, guys. You can see these are very high gravity products you can go and promote, and you can make a lot of sales because other affiliates are already making a lot of sales. So for example, we are going to choose health and fitness. We're going to choose weight loss type of products. So we're going to click on health and fitness. We're going to choose diet and weight loss. I'm going to promote products in this particular category, guys. So for this particular example, I'm going to show you guys you can go and promote, for example, the electric system, because it pays a higher commission than the Cinderella solution and the custom keto diet, guys. So for the example, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose one of these products, and I'm going to promote for this example. So let's say, for example, this particular product, it converts very well. So you can see also has high average sale of $49. So what we can do is that we can promote this particular product. So for example, so let's go to the sales page of the product, and let's see more about the product, guys. So you can see, guys, it's also a weight loss product. So for this example, we're just going to promote this particular product. So what I'm going to do next, guys, is that I'm going to show you guys how you can go and promote this very easily, and you can get a lot of traffic, guys. So be sure to watch this video step by step, as I'm going to show you guys everything that you can go and do right today very fast and start making some sales, guys. So you're going to be getting traffic from two sources, so be sure to watch step by step, as I'm going to show you guys how you can go and do this easily step by step. So the first step, guys, is that once you choose a product you're going to be promoting, the next step is that you're going to go to ezinearticles.com. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this step by step. So once you go to ezinearticles.com, you're going to find articles on ezinearticles.com. I'm going to show you guys some two websites that you can go and use and start getting traffic from two sources, guys. So be sure to watch this video step by step, as I'm going to show you guys these two websites, exactly how you can go and use this exact method right today and get traffic from two websites and make a lot of sales very fast. So be sure to watch step by step and take action on this method, guys. So once you go to easandarticles.com, the next step you guys are going to do is you're going to search for articles related to weight loss, because what you're promoting here is a weight loss product. So if you're promoting, for example, affiliate marketing product, you're going to search affiliate marketing on Easan Articles, because they already have all articles for all type of topic, guys. So you can see they have articles in different categories: business, legal, real estate, relationship, and you can see, guys, all categories are available on Easan Articles, so you don't have to go and do any of this work yourself. So all the work's already done for you. And I'm going to do this, I'm just going to copy and paste and use these two websites and this exact method I'm going to be showing you guys to get a lot of traffic. So what I'm going to do from here, guys, I'm going to go to Easan Articles. Since we are promoting a weight loss product, we're going to type how to lose weight fast, because that's what many people are looking for. Many people are looking for how to lose weight fast, how to lose belly fat. So that's what many people are looking for. So we want to use this type of articles, guys. So we're going to type how to lose weight fast. So we're going to click on search. We're going to get a lot of different articles. So we're going to choose some of the best articles and we're going to use it for this particular example. So we're going to choose one of these. So let me choose one, for example. So let me open this article. I'm going to see, guys, a simple article about how to lose weight. So I'm going to just choose one of these articles, guys. So let me check this other article. So let's see for example, guys. So for this example, I'm just going to use this particular article to promote this particular product, guys. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to go to this particular article, and from here, guys, I'm going to go to this website. You're going to go and sign up for this website, medium.com. So I'll show you guys in some of my videos how you can go and use medium.com and can get a lot of traffic and start making some sales. So in this example, I'm going to show you guys how you can use this website, medium.com, and another website and get a lot more free traffic very fast and make some sales very fast, guys. So what I'm going to do from here, guys, is that you're going to go to medium.com. You're going to sign up for a free account, so no investment is needed for this particular method. And as I show guys in one of my videos, medium.com has a lot of traffic. So if you go to similar way, we're going to see that this website is getting up to 164 million visitors every month. So what you're going to do is you're going to combine medium.com and this other website I'm going to be showing you guys and getting a lot more traffic, and you can make a lot of sales. So be sure to watch step by step, guys. So once you go to medium.com and sign up for a free account, all you're going to do is you're going to click on this and you're going to click on new story, and you're going to be able to add a simple article on this website for completely free. So what you're going to do is you're going to input the title, you're going to write the content of the article, and you're going to link it back to your affiliate offer, and you're going to use with this other strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys. So the first step, guys, is you're just going to copy this. So let's just copy this and we're going to paste as our title. Next, we're going to copy this entire article and we're going to link people back to our affiliate offer. So let me just copy this entire article, and that's it, guys. I'm just going to leave it right here. So let me copy this, go back to medium.com. I'm just going to paste this as my story. So that's how it's going to be like, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete some of these links. I'm just going to delete all of this, and I'm going to link people back to my affiliate offer. So once people are reading this article, they're going to be getting a lot of value and they're going to have the option to go and buy my affiliate products. So what I'm going to do, guys, is you're going to include links back to your affiliate offer right inside this article. So medium.com allows affiliate links, so your affiliate links are not going to get banned. So you can also use landing pages so that your links are never going to get banned from posting on this particular website. So what I'm going to do is next, I'm going to go to affiliate marketplace, go and click on promote, and you're going to go and get your affiliate link. So let's get your affiliate link, and let me just click on generate hub links. So when you click on generate hub links, you're going to get your affiliate link. So you just click on copy. We're going to close this and we're going to go to back to medium.com. All we're going to do is that you're going to include your link multiple times inside the article. So what we're going to do is that we're going to choose, for example, so let's say, for example, you can select this and we're going to use this and we're going to include our affiliate link right here. So we're going to select this and we're going to click on link. We're going to paste our affiliate link. We're going to click on enter, and that is going to be done. So what we're going to do is that we're going to include our link multiple times inside the article, guys. So what you're going to do is that you can just include your links multiple times inside the article, and also at the end, it's very important that you are going to include link back to your affiliate offer as well. So you can see a call to action for this particular article. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go and replace this with our affiliate website. So we're going to see, for example, at the end, the best way to lose weight. What we're going to do is we're going to delete this and we're going to leave links back to our affiliate offer. So we're going to delete this. We're going to add our own text right here. I'm going to add at the end, click here to learn more. So that's all. We're going to write a simple call to action like this. We're going to select this, we're going to make it bold, and we're also going to click on link, and we're going to paste our affiliate link. So we're going to click on enter, and that is done, guys. So now our link is already added inside here, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete all of this, we're going to delete this, and that's going to be linked back to our affiliate offer. So what you're going to do from here is that you can go on add some simple images. You can add some images for the article to look a bit nicer. That's how easy it is, guys. So for this particular example, I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to publish the story. So once you click on publish story, you're going to add the tag. So you're going to type, for example, lose weight. You're going to choose lose weight. So you're going to see that this one has a lot of people. So you can see lose weight has 1,000 members. So we're going to add that. So we're going to add, for example, fitness. As you can see, fitness has up to 60,000 people. So you're going to add fitness, and you're going to add, for example, fitness motivation. And that's it, guys. So once you're done that, guys, all you're going to do is that you're going to click on publish, guys. So once you click on publish now, it's going to be published, and your story is going to be live on this website. What you're going to do is that you're going to start getting a lot of free traffic from this website, and this website used to get ranked on Google. So your articles are going to get ranked in Google. And once people come to this website and they read this entire article, they're going to have the option to click on your link. So this is your link, and they also have the link at the end, which is going back to your affiliate offer. So if you click on this link, it's going to take you back to the affiliate offer on ClickBank, and when you buy that particular product, you're going to make commissions, guys. So you can see it's going to take you right here. So what you're going to do next from here is that you're going to go and use this entire article, and you want to make a lot more money promoting this particular product. What you're going to do is you're going to go and get the link of that particular article. So if you go back to your account, you're going to get the link back to your article. So let's go back to the stories, and let's go to publish, and let's choose our article. So this is our article. So this is going to be a link back to our article. So if you go back to a new tab and click on this link, you're going to be able to go back to our article. So let's paste the link right here. It's going to take people back to this particular article, guys. So you can also share this particular article on Facebook and anywhere, and people can go back to your affiliate offer using this website without you having to need a landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this link. So this link that we got from this particular article, what I'm going to do next is that for us to get a lot more traffic, we're going to go to this website. You're going to go to this website, webpage2pdf.com. So that's the name of the website, webpage2pdf.com. You're going to input the URL of that particular article. So let's convert the URL. So you can see we have pasted the URL. All we're going to do from here is that we're going to click on convert, and it's going to convert this to a PDF file, guys, and it's going to include our affiliate links there as well. So you can see it's a simple PDF, and I'll click on open PDF. It's going to download this, and we're going to be able to view this. So we'll click on this, and it's going to open. We're going to see, guys, you're going to see that exact article that is already converted to PDF. So you can see this entire article. So you can see, guys, so this entire article that is already done here. And there are these links, guys. So if you click on this link, it's going to take people back straight to our affiliate offer as well, guys. So you can see it's going to take people back to our affiliate offer, and it's going to be using our affiliate ID. So what I'm going to do from here, guys, is that once you have downloaded these PDFs, we're going to do, we're going to create a lot of articles. So the more articles you create, the more free traffic you're going to be getting from medium.com and the other website I'm going to be showing you guys. So when you have downloaded your PDF, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to this other website. You're going to go to the website. The website is called edoc.pub. So that's the name of the website, guys. So let me type the website URL. So that's the name of the website is edoc.pub. So that's the URL of that website, guys. So you can go and use this exact website. So that's the URL of this website, edoc.pub. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to this website. You're going to sign up for a free account on this website. So this website, you can go and upload your articles, you can go and upload your documents for completely free and start getting some free traffic. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and sign up for a free account. So what you're going to do is click on register. Once you register, you're going to be able to add your documents on this website, guys. So once you sign up for a free account, all you're going to do is you're going to click on add documents. You're going to be able to add your documents here for completely free, and you're going to be getting a lot of free traffic. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on choose file, and you're going to choose the file that we just created. So let's click on this. We're going to choose file, and we're going to click on open, and that's, guys, going to be open. And what we're going to do is you can just write a simple description, and you can write a document title, And that's all, guys. So we're just going to copy some of this. We're just going to copy this. We're going to paste on this website. You can just write, for example, best. And that's it, guys. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to write a simple description. So for this particular example, I'm just going to copy some of this and I'm going to use as my description. So you can take a little more time to write the description. And that's all, guys. So your PDF is already chosen. All you're going to do is click on accept terms and submit this. And you're going to publish this on your website. You're going to start getting free traffic from this particular website as well, guys. So let's click on publish, and that is done, guys. So that's, guys, your document is already published on this website. All you're going to do is you're going to be getting free traffic from this website, medium.com. So you're going to go to medium.com. You're going to be getting free traffic from medium.com, and you're also going to be getting traffic from this website, edog.pub. What you're going to do, guys, that if you want to triple your traffic, what you're going to do is that you're going to go and submit this particular website. You're going to go and submit this particular article on this website, slideshare.net. This particular website, slideshare. If you type on YouTube, for example, on Google, for example, slideshare, you're going to go to this website. Slideshare.net is a website you can go and upload your documents for completely free. I can see, for example, this one, you can see 18,000 views on this particular article, 7,000 views, 11,000 views, and you can get a lot of traffic, guys. So what you can do, guys, that what you're going to do is that you're going to go and create these simple articles. You're going to be getting traffic from medium.com. You're going to be getting traffic from this other website. If you also go and upload these documents on slideshare.net, you can also be getting a lot of traffic from everywhere, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the work once. You're going to be getting traffic from different traffic sources. So what you're going to do is that once you publish your documents on slideshare.net, so let me show you guys another website. This website, Scribe. You type Scribe, you're going to go to this website. It's also a PDF sharing website. You can go and share a lot of PDFs and you can get a lot of free traffic, guys. So let me just copy the URL and let me show you guys how much traffic this particular website gets every month. So let's click on search and let's see how much traffic is getting every month, guys. So you can see, guys, it's getting up to 100 million visitors every month. And what you're going to do is that you're going to share your PDFs on all of these websites and you're going to be getting traffic from everywhere, guys. You're going to get traffic from medium.com, you're going to be getting traffic from scribe.com, and you're going to be getting traffic from edog.pub. You're going to be getting a lot of sales, guys, because you're going to be getting a lot of traffic from different sources. So that's a simple method, guys. So all you're going to do is go and take action on this method. So the websites I've shown you guys to go and submit your documents and create simple posts on, they're getting a lot of traffic and you can make a lot of sales using this exact method I've shown you guys today. So that's it, guys. So if you found value in this video, guys, be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on ClickBank and make up to at least $1,000 per week. Be sure to click the first link in the description and you can get my step-by-step training. So that's it, guys. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.